Hey guys, hey, welcome back. Just thought I'd shoot a quick video on these farm gates. You can get these farm gates from PG Wrightson or Farmlands or a farm store. They're about $300 or $400, so pretty low cost sort of option. They're made of metal, obviously. And this is an existing situation where there was timber posts. We replaced that timber post over there. And what we've done is we've put in this Mastiff 400. It's a TMT motor. It's a low-cost motor, low-cost option. You get the control unit, you get the motor arms, and you get a keypad and 3 remotes and a button. So it's a pretty good option if you've got like a low-cost sort of scenario where you can sort of come in. What we've done is we've powder coated these gates. Took them down to powder coaters. You might pay a couple of $100 per gate sort of get them powder coated. You can see it's a really baked on finish. Check out how dirty these hands are. Baked on finish, but yeah, pretty durable. Black, it's pretty good. Now these particular motors, they don't have much customization, so you can't really dictate where the gate opens and closes to. So you have to put a limit, like a stopper. So we've got a little stopper down there. They'll pretty much mechanically just go to wherever you set the motor arm down here, the actual bracket, whatever the distance across here to there, so that might be like 180 by 160, whatever that is, determines what the opening angle of the gate is. So you can see these are actually opening out to 120 degrees. They're opening out quite far. But I thought it worked out quite good for this customer because they can just drive straight in. The gate's going all the way around to 120 degrees. So yeah, we had to put a little stopper in on that one. And then you have this ground stopper. So yeah, there's a lot of messing around if you're trying to do this yourself. These hinges they work. They're awesome hinges, but they need to be customized and set up properly because the gate has to hit that stopper at the perfect spot, and if it doesn't, then it'll override the stopper, or it'll jump over, causing all sorts of trouble. Yeah, that's what automating an existing farm gate looks like. You can do single swing or double swing, and you can get a keypad to go with it. This one's obviously set up on an angle. So yeah, a whole lot of challenges with this. Luckily the concrete was sloping away. You end up with the gates hitting the ground if you don't get the right angle. So that's what it looks like to automate an existing farm gate.